What's up, guys? Misfit Garage here with another edition of the Yamaha race car. It's back in the shop getting some more stuff done. We went from removable cage bungs to now solid welded, more race legal. So obviously we cut that piece out. It's sleeved with thinner tube about that far in each side, and then welded over so it's not just butt welded there. This was removable before, so you could pull the cage off. Now the cage doesn't come off. Welded there. We moved the fuel cell, well, actually mounted a new fuel cell, which required doing a new spare tire carrier. So now the spare tire goes from there up to there, single strap, two in the back. And then the big modification was the new shock towers in the back. We all know that the Yamaha rear suspension is absolute garbage. Always has been, always will be, until they come out with a new car. So, I mean, we figured it can't get any worse, so it can only get better. So here's our attempt at, this may be a possible kit in the future to come. Weld it yourself kit, obviously. Unless you're local, then we can do it. But yeah, I mean, to be honest, it's pretty simple. There's a stock tube you got to cut out, basically. I mean, obviously we have this Z looking thing for the fuel cell, but we figured it'll still work for everyone else, just because it'll basically still give you more area to have a bed if you'd like to have a bed, but also have decent performing rear suspension. So yeah, so that's what we did this time. Went over the whole chassis, looking for cracks. And yeah, I think that's it for this time. We'll keep you updated. But there she is, just skin and bones. Skin and bones.